Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is João. So today we are going to create ScrolledText in Python Tkinter. Okay, so let's say that you have a big test, okay, a huge test that you want to show in your application, okay, in your app. So for that, it's very easy. We can use a ScrolledText, okay, ScrolledText, because it will give us a scroll bar that we can scroll down and up to see better the test. Oh, sorry, where I was, okay, I was okay, yes. So this is what we are going to create in this episode, okay. So we are going to perform, okay, how we can create a ScrolledText, how we can show ScrolledText in the window, how we can insert and delete items inside of the ScrolledText, okay, because this is a huge test. That's why ScrolledText is needed to show or to display those tests, okay. So let's go to our test editor and let's start working on it, okay. So for that, let's come here. So in order to create a ScrolledText, we have to do something like that, okay. Let me delete those guys, okay, we don't need them. Boom, bye bye. In order to create a ScrolledText, okay, I'm just going to keep this button because we might need it, okay. And let me delete this list, okay, and I will keep also this function because we might need it. So in order to create a ScrolledText in Tkinter, we have to do something like that, okay. So let's say tst, let's create one variable called test, okay. Then we have to call the ScrolledText, okay, but first let's import here the ScrolledText, okay. Let's say from Tkinter, okay, from Tkinter import, okay, ScrolledText, this guy, okay. Everything is small, safe, okay. Now if I come here, okay, let me get this guy and I'll keep it. Boom, ScrolledText dot, then again scrolled capital, okay, scrolled, let me say, is this name itself, okay, ScrolledText, open and close, but this guy must be capital, okay, the first one, and boom, capital, save. And if I run this, I'm going to get error, okay. So I think I wrote it bad. Let me see, ScrolledText, did you mean ScrolledText? Oh yes, I forget, this T must be capital also, capital, save. And if I run this, boom, now everything is working, okay, perfect. So after that, we just need to give this ScrolledText into our window, okay. So let's give it window, comma, okay. Then let's define also width, which is very important for ScrolledText. The width, let's say 40, comma, so that's dot, and the height, okay, height will be equal at least 10. It's enough, okay, save. Now after that, we need to show, okay, we need to place this ScrolledText inside of our windows. For that, let's say test will be dot, okay. Let's reuse this guy. I'm just gonna use this, copy, and I paste it, okay. Row 0, column, let's use column 0 again, also boom, 0, save. And if I run this, boom, now we have here our ScrolledText. We can see there is a scroll bar here, and here is our text where we can show. Now we can write some stuff, a lot of stuff, enter, we can give space. So this is how we can create a ScrolledText in Python Tkinter, okay. Boom. So now the thing is how we can insert test inside of our ScrolledText. So to insert test inside of ScrolledText is very easy. We can just use the test dot insert, okay, dot insert, open and close, okay. So here the first word that we have to give, the first argument must be insert, everything capital, okay, comma, then this will be the test that we want to insert. So let's say something like any test. Oh, where can I get any test? Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, I can reuse this one from the book itself. If I come here, okay, let me copy all this stuff. I'm going to copy this, come back, and I just keep it here, okay. Oh, I did a mistake. Okay, now this guy just need to go up, comma, this guy also just need to go up, comma, you too, comma, and you also. Is this okay? Comma, okay. Yeah. So this is all the tests that we want to insert in our ScrolledText, okay. Save. Now if I save and I run this, boom, now we can see we have all those stuff, okay. So but the scroll bar is not showing because it didn't cross the limit. So let's try to copy this guy again, boom, comma, okay, comma, yeah. Now I put a lot of stuff there. Let's see. Save. And if I run this, okay, the scroll bar is working. Okay, if I do this, you can see it is working. Okay, but this one is not activated because we didn't use the full edge. Okay, that's why. But if I do this, scroll bar is working. Okay, it's, you can go up and down, up and down. So this is how you can insert information inside of the scrolled text. So now to delete information inside of the scrolled text, it's very easy. Okay, so we just have to call the same variable. Okay, test.delete. Okay, open and close. So now here we just have to give, okay, the range that we want to delete. So for example, let's say for them from 1, okay, from 1.0, at least 1.0, comma, up to end. Save. If I run this, boom, everything is gone. So this is how you can delete the things from the scrolled text, okay, in Python Tkinter. So as always, I'll keep the link of an article which talks about this in the description of this video. Okay, so if you are interested to know more about scrolled text, just go there and learn more from there. Okay, so my name is João. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.